Hi, this is Jay from Rx Wellness. Today we're going to talk about number one mistake to recover your body. And if you've been injured, people never do that step. So the whole idea about recovery, if you've been experiencing pain or you've been injured yourself, and what most people do, they waiting, they just not doing anything, they not functioning, they kind of freeze this area, and it's understandable because your brain's scared to experience that pain again, and it's kind of limited motion and movements in this area, and you also agree with this and you accept it. But this is the biggest mistake, because when people, they think after period time they can go back to the gym and do some weightlifting or load their body. So what we're doing, we usually come back and let's say my shoulder, and we load that shoulder, we do some exercise. You are never done any rehab. You don't did any soft tissue manipulation. You never check your shoulder, how's your shoulder feel, and you go back to the gym and you're doing that. This is the biggest mistake. So what you're doing, you check your shoulder, you check your range of motion, and you not just check your shoulder, you check everything. You check your thoracic area, you check your neck area, you check your hips. Why? Because sometimes compensation, if I've been injuring my shoulder, maybe my body, my neck, or thoracic mobility is going to get limitation. Why? Like I said, don't want to feel the pain. This guy don't want to feel pain, so he's locking it in. That's why you go to the specialist and you do check those range of motion. You go to the physical therapist, you go to a massage therapist, you go to chiropractor, doctor, people who knows what they're doing. They have to check those mobility and stability too. Also, they want to see that movements in that shoulder. Just example for the shoulder, it can be lower back, neck. And what people do, they go to the gym. They think I'm fine, everything is get healed, they feel okay. They actually limit it because they don't remember what the full range of motion is. And that's why she started loading and re-injure it again. And another problem, when you're not doing anything, you don't do soft tissue manipulation, you don't do physical therapy, the problem is it starts, like I said, compensation in your body. It could be compensated to other shoulder, to neck, and it's create more problem. It's like a snowball, shoulder, another shoulder, knees. That's why people come in. I blow my ankle. After I blow my knee, now I blow my hip. I blow another ankle, and it's never stop. It just take you over, slowly and slowly take you over. Why? Because you don't care, right? You don't care about your body. You don't want to know what's going on. I do. That's why I do all those tests, and my clients who come here, that's what this is all about. To identify the problem, work on that problem, improve that body, improve that motion, and go back to what? Loading, exactly, to get performance. You can't perform without this limitation and the pain inside your body. So this is the message to you guys. If you've been injured, you already never don't take care of it, you don't manage your body, so what I'm trying to say here, if you been injured, you have to identify where is the compensation, what's the issue, was in the case of this pain, the injury, and try to correct it. Next one, if you're still good, you have to check every time with the physiotherapy, with the trainer, with the massage therapy, with the PhysioMassage, what you do here. It's a double benefits: soft tissue manipulation and postural assessment and range of motion testing. This is what we're doing here in Rx Wellness in Los Angeles. If you're in this area, call us, book online, come over. We're gonna have fun. Trust me, you will gonna have fun because you will learn something more about your body. This is all about. Stay injury free, be happy, and enjoy your life. Bye-bye.